5 exercises for women that will transform your body in just 4 weeks. Welcome to Healthline Champions, your go-to YouTube channel for empowering health information and transformative remedies. We are dedicated to championing your health and well-being, bringing you the latest insights, expert interviews, and practical solutions to help you thrive. Whether you're searching for natural remedies, nutritional advice, or tips for a healthy lifestyle, we've got you covered. Today, we have 6 game-changing exercises for women. Get ready to transform your body in just 4 weeks. These exercises are perfect for women looking to tone up and get stronger. First up, squats. A great way to target your glutes and legs. Next, let's add some lunges into your routine to work those leg muscles. Don't forget about push-ups for your arms and core strength. Planks are essential for building a strong core and improving posture. Crunches are perfect for targeting those stubborn abdominal muscles. And finally, don't underestimate the power of burpees for a full-body workout. Make sure to incorporate these exercises into your routine to see results in just 4 weeks. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. So grab your mat, water bottle, and let's start transforming our bodies together. Push yourself during each exercise, but remember to listen to your body and rest when needed. Now go ahead and hit that like button if you're excited to try these exercises. Thank you for joining us on this incredible health journey. If you found this video valuable and want to stay connected with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of health remedy solutions, inspiring stories, and expert guidance to support your wellness goals. Together, let's champion health, empower ourselves, and create a community dedicated to living our best, healthiest lives.